Hey guys, I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing really good and I hope you're seeing my content. And if you have not seen anything, then please go see and let me know how you think about it. If it's good, it's bad, it's trash, whatever it is, please do let me know because that's the only way I can do better, or I can also stop it if you want. Okay. Today I'm going to kind of share something which is a good hack to look nice, but at the same time not trying too hard to look nice. Okay. So what I do is generally when I don't want to kind of put on too much makeup and I'm just kind of stepping out, just for going for a movie or just catching up with a friend for a coffee, or going on a date with my husband, whatever, like when I don't want to do too much makeup and at the same time I don't want to look really bad. So what I do is I pick up some of these lipsticks that I'm going to share with you. Lip tints, liquid lipstick. I'll try and share most formulations so that you can pick and choose whichever you like. But the idea is that I keep my skin moisturized, I let it breathe, I use a little bit of sunscreen, and then I just put on these lipsticks and I'm good to go, right? And it can be something else for you guys. Like some people really like to put some blush on and they're good to go. And some people like to just put on some lipsticks and they're good to go. So I'm the lipstick one because my lips are a little bit pigmented and they are not so pinky and glowy. So I like to kind of obviously put some tint on my lips. I'm going to share my recommendation with you after doing all the trial and error. Some of the brands that I'm going to recommend is new, and you might not have tried them or heard of them, but give it a try. Okay. The first one I'm going to talk about is by MAC. It's in the shade Twig. This is how, okay, this is how the shade looks like. It is nice, pinky nude, more on the pink tone side. Let me kind of swatch it for you. This is one of my favorite lipstick from MAC, guys. You guys would have heard of Meher and some of those nude pink lipsticks, but this one works beautifully on my skin tone, on brown skin girls. So if you are my skin tone and you want to try something which is nice, pinky, subtle, but a good formulation, then Twig is the shade from MAC that you should try. This is how it looks like. Okay. The second shade that I'm going to recommend is from Dior. I think this brand is probably a brand that you will see consistently in all my videos because I don't regret any Dior product, guys. All of them are really good. Okay, and if I had the money to buy Dior products, I would have probably bought all of it. They are really that good. Okay, so this is the lip tint range that they have. This is in the shade 351. They call it Lip Tattoo, and it's called Natural Nude. Okay. Again, very nice formulation, very light on the lip. You will not feel like you've put anything. Let me try show it to you. And guys, it stays for a very long time, by the way. So this is the shade, guys. It is beautiful pink, nude pink shade. Looks very nice on the lips. Something that stays for a very long time, gives a very natural finish, so you won't feel like you're wearing anything. It almost feels like pinky lips that you have. So something that I really recommend. It's very good, guys. A little bit on a expensive side, but you just need a little bit. It goes a long way. Tough to find online, I think, but you can try it in Sephora stores if they have it. I picked it up from Bombay, I think. In Bangalore I couldn't find it. It was out of stock. So something that you can try online, or you can go to Sephora store and try. This is in the shade 351 Neutral Nude. Guys, I'll try and link the products in the description. So in case if you miss out and you want to kind of refer to it, you can do that. Okay. The third shade that I'm going to talk about is from Fenty Beauty. Again, it is the most talked about shade, or the most viral shade, or I think anybody who has Fenty Beauty lip glosses or lipsticks is probably definitely be having this one. This is called the shade Riri. Riri is Rihanna's nickname as well. So this is a glass bomb range. It is in the shade Riri. It's available on Nykaa, guys. It's a cross-border order that you'll have to make, where you'll have to kind of give your documents, etc. I got it by my sister-in-law who was traveling to US, and she got it for me. But you can get it on Nykaa. It's available. They have recently launched the shade in more on the lip balmy side, the new Fendi lipsticks, which are mind blowing, at least when the videos that I see, but it's not available in India. So if you kind of are traveling, then you can give it a try. They are amazing. They look very tempting. So I would love to kind of try them on whenever possible or whenever it's available in India. But for now, I would recommend the shade Riri in Glass Bomb. Let me swatch it for you and show you how it looks. It is like a mauvey pink, not so very pinky pink, but it is more of the mauvey pink, and it has a nice sheen to it. Very subtle sheen, guys. No sparkly shit going on, but very, very subtle. So this is how it looks like. You just need a little bit, and actually I'm tempted to try. Let me try. I told you, like, it just gives you a very nice sheen. It is not like too heavy, and it's very hydrating, and I think it has got of nourishing elements, ingredients to it. It's really nice. So it's in the shade Riri, Glass Bomb, Fendi Beauty. Okay. Now the one that I'm going to share now is going to be a surprise for you. I'm not sure how many people know about it. I'm sure you would have heard of it, but you might not have tried it. Okay. Now it was something that I was like in a phase of experimenting and trying different things, and hence I ordered, and I was surprised. Like, firstly, it's not expensive at all. Okay. And secondly, oh my god, what a light formulation. Like, it just glides on so beautifully, and you don't feel like you're wearing anything, which is great. And it is a Korean brand. I kind of later Googled about it, and I wanted to kind of know more about it. And then I realized it's a Korean brand. And I don't know if you know, I am obsessed with Korean products. Okay. I have ordered like so many Korean products through my friend, because a lot of it is not available in India. And I just can't wait to share it with you. The Korean products are mind blowing, guys. Like, I don't know, I think they're way ahead in the game when it comes to beauty, or their beauty treatments, or their skincare, or their makeup. Usually French beauty is, or French skincare is like, the gold standard in skincare. But I have tried French, I have tried US brands, I have tried Korean brands, and Korean brands are killing it. Okay. So I'm going to share my recommendation someday on that with you. But for today, I'm going to share this one, which is called Juicy Lasting Tint in the shade Bear Grape. And the brand is Romand. Romand is how they call it. It's the and sign is like this. Okay. So Romand is the brand. It is something that I discovered on Tira. Okay. And I thought, okay, it's not expensive. Let me give it a try. And I was shocked. It is beautiful. Okay. And it really suits the brown skin girls. Okay. I'll show you. So again, it is pinky nude kind of shade. This is the shade, guys. So very lightweight, beautiful formulation, very hydrating, stays for a very long time, very pocket friendly. I just can go on and on about it. But this is something that you have to try. This is in the shade Bear Grape. Okay, I have two of these, and I'm not joking. And I think anybody who I know, I have asked them to try. So please give it a try. The last one I'm going to talk about is again a Korean brand. Again, I kind of discovered this on Tira. And this is sold out, right? Like, it's very tough to find this because I wanted to try a lot of other shades in it, but couldn't find it. It's sold out, or it's out of stock, or whatever. Or maybe they'll restock it. You can check it out. But when I was kind of ordering, I could not find too many of it. Most of it was sold out. And when I went to check about this product, I realized it's pretty viral in Korea as well. So this brand is very famous in Korea as well. And probably this is the reason why it's sold out and a lot of people are buying it. But this is a brand called Peri Pera. This is a brand called Peri Pera, and it's in the shade Water Bear. Okay, now if you see the formulation, guys, I have shown like similar formulation in Dior as well to you in this video, but you see this formulation, it is better than Dior. Like, Dior is expensive. I mean, I love it, no doubt about it. But this one is pretty much giving competition to Dior. Okay, this is the shade Bear Grape. It is little bit more on the pink side. Again, I don't apply anything on top of it. I just use it. My lips look pretty pinky, naturally pinky, little extra pinky, but but obviously I have pigmented lips, so it doesn't kind of look too pinky to me. But something you should try, like this brand you should try. Again, the brand is Peri Pera. Okay, and they have multiple range to it. This is the water tint range, and I think they have liquid lipstick and bullet lips, etc, etc. So just go try this Peri Pera. It's on Tira. I'm not sure if it's on Nykaa, but it's definitely on Tira. So this is something that you should try. These are my recommendation for all the nude pinky lipsticks in all kind of formulation, which is one I can't find, guys. Again, it's a balm by Dior. Okay, I'm sorry I can't find it. I'll try and put the picture of it, or I'll put the description of the link of it in the description, but I can't find it. That is, again, it's a balm. It's a Dior balm. It's over, and I went to almost all Sephora's and I couldn't find it. I have to order it online if at all, or maybe if I travel somewhere, maybe then I'll try figure out. But I couldn't find Sephora in this city. I couldn't find it in Sephora in this city. So yeah, that's another thing that you can probably try. These are my recommendation, guys. Very good, all kind of formulation, something that you don't need to touch up too often, makes your lips look very natural. Nothing over the top, nothing that people will kind of stop by and notice, oh, you're trying to apply pink lipstick, all that, right? So oh, that was a bad joke, right? Anyways, so these are my recommendation, guys. These are all the lipsticks that I obviously keep it handy, something that I always kind of go back to depending on what mood I am in. Do I want it easy? Do I want it a little more makeup-y? Do I just want to kind of put the water tint and good to go? So I in fact use it even when I'm kind of going to play or doing my exercise, just a little bit of it, and it looks very natural. So yeah, these are my recommendations. Please go try and let me know what you think. Korean brands is a must try, guys. It's a must try. Like, not expensive, very pocket friendly, very good quality, very long lasting, and I can go on and on. But yeah, that's something you should try. I'm not sure if too many people are talking about it. That's all from my end. I hope you like it, and if you do, please like, please comment, please subscribe, or you can just skip, that is also possible. Okay, bye. Thank you so much. Love you. See you in the next one. Bye.